Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Let's get some of these beats going. Just so you're not listening to nothing. I need to figure out why this mic doesn't work when I turn it. But, yo, Moritz, Dix, how you all doing? I hope you're all good. Still waiting on this trade to play out, but still got high hopes for it. I've got my limit. I've placed the limit, so I'll be in straight away. So let's see how it goes. Right. Why are you running? Yo, yo, yo. Is anyone here? I can't believe this trade still hasn't played out. Hope everyone's good. Anyone here? No? Okay, no one's here. Support resistant traders were bagging in London session. They actually were. Yeah, literally up, down, up, down, up, down. Gotta wait for this trade to play out. Are you still waiting for this trade? waiting for this one. Yeah, hopefully it'll play out. Looks like we should, but waiting for 5 out. Yeah, if this trade doesn't play out in the end, I'm actually gonna crash out. Hopefully, I don't think we'll come up and take this set of highs. Wait, let me. I don't think we'll take this set, but we'll definitely most likely take this one. Oh wait, I'm on the wrong chart. This one, sorry. Should be on this chart. My thing entries at 140. Yeah, for some reason the chart on what's the daily? Wait. This chart that I'm on now lines up better than the other chart I was just on, so. Moritz and I are already in a cool flight through. Oh shit, so you call each other, that's cool. I like doing, I might start doing a bit more Discord calls. That's cool that you lot are in a call together. But yeah, so I've put my stops above Asian high, which to be honest is quite unnecessary. I really doubt we'll come up to this high here, but it's just a good measure. Definitely come to here, maybe fill in this fair value gap as well, but we'll see. We will see. Be a lot of waiting. Well, I normally only trade in half an hour anyway, so it's a huge SL. Yeah, no, I'll obviously readjust. I doubt I want my stops to be relatively like this, but I've only done them there just precautionary measure, just in case we do come up to that height, which I doubt we will, but is what it is. My targets are still the same, nothing's changing. Yo, yeah, we're shorting. Right. Shorting, yes, we're shorting. The reason we're shorting is because yesterday we respected the daily fair value gap. I put it in the Discord. If we respect this daily fair value gap here. I'm going to be bearish for today, which we did. We respected it. We're currently in Asia. We had a huge sell-off as well, and late New York. Didn't want this big of a. No, this one? We don't want it invalidated just yet. But we had a huge sell-off in Asia, a bit bigger than I would like to. I wish we, after this candle, push back up straight away, not have this little accumulation stage, but is what it is. In this huge sell-off during Asia, we created a 1 hour fair value gap, which perfectly works into 1 hour discount, as you can see here. I need to adjust this slightly. Go like that. We've already touched a discount once, but we haven't had any fill of anything. So I'm targeting this 30-minute fair value gap. I'll put my limit down. Oh, bearish. Oh, okay. We will invalidate it. We will. My entry's at 1314. I've put my limit there. So if as soon as we tap into it, I'm in. Might add another size. I don't know. But yeah, I'm just waiting on this. I don't know if I really want to double up on the position, but tempting. Yeah, but I've already put my limit in, so. Which we are close to actually getting tapped into. We're about 100 pips away. Which I don't, it's not that much. You're going to wait for break structural confirmation, or do you usually... for this trade, I'm really confident, so I'm literally just put my limit, so as soon as it taps the limit, I'll just enter straight away. Normally I kind of wait, but this one I'm not going to. How does it feel to be funded 25k? It feels lovely. All I care about now is getting a payout. Having a funded is cool, but if you don't get a payout, there's no point. I'm a little bit of drawdown at the moment, which is not the best, but is what it is. I don't like how high these stops are, but I think it's necessary. But we do have like 3 lines of defense not to come up to these highs. I want to do 100k after this. Tight stop is a bit sketchy. Yeah, exactly. Plus we have these highs here. I doubt, like, I have a good line of defense. We've got like a decent amount of fair value gaps to hold us. So if you're entering purely off the 1 hour, you'll be in it soon. But yeah. Then targeting, we've got daily low from a couple days ago, because yesterday, day before that got taken out. Got this daily low, then we also got this liquidity here, which which I didn't see, which I might target as well. And we just got this huge liquidity. I'm still waiting for a huge sell-off because we still have all these imbalances that need to get filled from this big buy. As you can see, we had the huge dump, and then we just kind of been consolidating a bit. We still have this huge imbalance to get filled. Pretty sure this is when all the tariffs came into play, which just propelled EU. But we're going to get tapped into it in a minute. Hopefully in the next 5 minutes or so, which will be good. Ooh, I don't want a reaction just yet. I'll get my Red Bull in a minute. Get me hopped up. Trump better not be on his BS and tariff continues. I know it ruined trading, but oh, that was a good one, heist. Wait, someone got funded? Ah, no. Casper is just saying well done to someone. I want to pin that message. That's funny. But yeah, not much to expect in this stream, just hopefully getting tapped into that position. Anyone looking for SMT with GU in this first league? I'm going to short GU. To be fair, nice little liquidity grab there. Just need DXY to fucking sell off. I think GU might take Asia highs and create S&T with EU then. That is smart. That's actually a good play, which could happen. Motherfucking PIMP. Actually, I don't think it's going to take all the way up there. Come on, man. give me a position.
Alright, face it. Your life is a complete mess right now. The laundry's not folded, you haven't exercised in weeks, you're spending way too much money going out, and your doom scrolling habit is back. What you need is a GYST week. That stands for Get Your Shit Together week. Alright, so what does it actually look like to dedicate an entire week to just tackling everything that we've procrastinated in one fell swoop? That means finances, folding laundry, calling your mom back, personal projects, you name it. Life would be so much easier if we could just get everything done and out of the way for good. Does all that sound overwhelming? It's because it probably is. But here's the secret. It doesn't have to be. Just schedule all of your tasks into a GYST week. All I do is take like 8 minutes at the beginning of my week to brain dump my entire to-do list, and this tool automatically sorts it all out for me. It'll schedule.
There you are. Right. You up or down in percentage? I'm down currently 2%. Or like 1 point something. I did a couple of shit trades on whenever I got funded, the day I got funded, did a couple of shit trades on that day. Yesterday I won $44. So but I'm locked in. Is the inverse a better correlation to EU than GU? DXY is more targeted towards EU. So I use both of them. I use GU and EU. Yesterday, fuck shit back. So it'd be football Thursday. I would be up a lot more, but yesterday I took a short in GU. Stocks were slightly a bit too tight and got stopped out and then price dumped. I'm up 2 points this week, 2 trade. Nice, man. Is one of them stronger? It kind of stays relatively the same. If anything, DXY might be slightly stronger, like a little bit more accurate, but they're still relatively the same. So one could be lagging behind, and then you just look at DXY, and then it gives you a bit more accurate reading. Depends. If GU or EU has news, they sometimes go their own way. Yeah, that is true. Like, I caught a short in EU one day, or like the other day, and then GU was pumping up. So, yeah, sometimes they can just mismatch and not actually correlate together. But that is actually horrible price action for London. So glad I didn't enter that position. Gotta stay disciplined. Creating equal highs right now. I set a sell stop for when we sweep. No. Oh, what? So you buy as soon as we hit the equal lows? This is boring. I just want to be tapped into the. Oh, selling when we hit the equal highs. Yeah, we need to. Hey, we need to come up anyway. We haven't even hit the 50% mark of the 15-minute fair value gap here. So if we sell off now, I'll be very, very surprised. But it's only. I'm still 2 minutes away from when I normally would start trading again. So. Give me 1 second. this mic? Hello. Finally. Alright, I'm back. News came out. Absolutely did frickle. Hopefully we can get a reaction off this fair value gap and tap. Hopefully, I don't even know at this rate. But yeah, we'll see what happens. I honestly thought we would shoot up for unemployment claims, but looks like we have other plans instead. Stream just loading. Oh, it shouldn't. It's probably your Wi-Fi. Why are we... Might be a miss today, boys. I'll be honest. Yeah, it doesn't look that good. I might switch over to Discord. Might actually just switch over to stream on Discord. You know what? Fuck it. Alright, I'm streaming over. I'm going over to Discord. Meet me there if you're in the Discord.